What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, no Skyline videos today, but I figured it's a good time to actually work on the S2000. I still got the car, but I want to go ahead and start washing it, detailing it. I actually been wanting to polish it for some time since I bought it, just to make it more appealing for potential buyers. I had a couple people hit me up, a lot of low ballers, unfortunately, because I live in South Florida. Everyone wants everything for $2. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually detail it, clean it up as much as I can, but in the time being, if I can just continue detailing the outside, I can bring in the garage, take a break from driving it, and actually detail the engine bay, the door jambs, and all that stuff. So, but before we go and do that, I want to go ahead and talk about all the issues that the car has. Let me show you. So you can see it's cloudy today, so it's a perfect day to wash the car. I have a mess up. You know, I took these headlights apart to put in the clear diffuser, but as you can see, there's tons of moisture in it to the point where it's rusting up in there. This has to be fixed because it doesn't look good. So after washing it, I'm going to detail it. I'm going to take the time to take the bumper off, take that headlight out, take it apart, redo everything, clean it up, and potentially maybe respraying the housing flat black because it is bubbling a little bit there, whereas this side is actually really perfect. It's pretty good here. On top of that issue, I also want to talk about some mechanical stuff it has going on. The fuel setting unit is faulty and it reads like sporadic, so that's a $4 fix, something I'm gonna look into, trying to get an OEM piece for that. Another thing, the EPS light keeps flashing on and off. I think there might be a faulty ground. I gotta find out exactly where it is. And also, of course, the driver's side seat is ripped. It's a 2001, so it's gonna have issues like that, especially with a leather interior in a car that literally is so tight that when you get out, you rub on everything, no matter how big or small you are. It's just an issue. But I really want to detail this paint. It's just been really hot, and today it's supposed to rain, but it's actually cloudy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car real quick. Probably go clay it in the process. So what I do is usually wash it real nice, and then if I have time, I foam it again. I foam the car, and then I just hit it with the clay pad and just clay bar the whole car while it's soapy, and then I rinse it off and I bring it in, let it dry, then go ahead and just mask off all of the trims, and then we start detailing it. So just do a quick walk around. I mean, it's white, so you can't really tell how dirty it is, but it is dirty. See that? No more badge, but I gotta get another badge put in there. It's pretty much just gonna be detailing the white part of the car. Probably not gonna take the badges off, just leave them there or mask around it. But I've been trying to do this for like quite some time since I've owned the car. I'm gonna set you guys up on tripod and we just quickly wash it and then bring it in, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, finally done. Looking super nice and shiny after the clay bar. It really does wonders to do that, getting rid of all the surface contamination. I could go the extra mile and do Iron X and all that stuff and actually use a real clay bar instead of the clay pad, but this car wasn't really that bad, to be honest with you. I really took care of it for the most part. And oh, what's up, guy? I really took care of it, so the car is really nice and shiny finally. So when I get a chance tomorrow or this week, I know tomorrow is July 4th, but sometime this week we're gonna go ahead and start taping everything up and start paint correcting it. As you can see, I changed my shirt, rocking the LZ shirt and a different hat because it was really humid outside. But gonna save this for another day, another video. Finally clean, all clean, ready to get polished up, because I just want it to be perfect. Now, I said there was going to be no Skyline videos today, but let's take the bad bitch out. would record while I drive, but I shouldn't. So just letting you guys know, on the way to the shop. Gonna swing by the shop, see what's going on with Alex's S2000. Also hang out with Chris and Alex if they're at the shop, because it's pretty much in the same area. Woo! Buddy Alex detailing Chris's Evo.
As usual.
What's up, man?
What up, dog?
He's doing great work. See, he's actually doing it right, using the right clay bar instead of the clay pad like me, because I'm super lazy.
Well, I mean, I used a clay towel earlier just to get it started.
Yeah. I need to get some extra ones, man. I've just been super, like, I don't know. Time is very, very valuable, so.
I hear you, bro.
Yeah. I guess he's detailing the car, trying to keep it up to par, make it look clean. Looking pretty sick. Then we're gonna check up the tints. Tint still looks decent. No issues, I haven't had any complaints. Sweet. Alright, so I totally forgot to record when I was there. I hung out with Alex for a little bit. Chris came by and Roberto was there and my buddy Alex with the S2000 was there, and I totally forgot to vlog it. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with a little teaser of what's to come for the channel. Enjoy.